So on today's episode now, I want to show how to create a jump from one section of your page in Elementor to another page. So let's say for example now, I'm going to put a button here. This button now, let me centralize it. And I want a scenario whereby when I click this button, it takes them directly down to this video session page now, or to this page. First thing first, you need to rename this session I want it. Let's say when they click that button, I want it to come to check out some of my videos. I come here, I go to advanced, I come to class ID. Maybe I now name it VI. You understand? Kindly note, so what I just need to do is come here, hash VI, and when I save, it makes it very easy. So when they click on this like this, it jumps down to this place. So this is how to create a jump button inside your Elementor. So any angle you want the button to be, now this is one. Now imagine you want to duplicate it. This one is for video, and you now want this second one to jump to this side. Now I can easily just come here, go to advanced, give it another name, let's say CI, and I go back up, I come here, I change this one to CI. So that's the way. So you can create unlimited numbers of jumps inside your sales page or your website. Now you see that. Now let's go and click the second one. You see that? So that's the way to go about it. Thank you very much.